Wishing a factory on rent, Vishweshwar Nagar, Goregaon East off Aarey Road. And this is the one, model industrial colony. We got industrial units, galas, and we got a factory industrial gala on rent here. The parking space starts from that pipe, you know, the cream color pipe that you see, from there all the way to those trees. So a couple of lorries can be parked here. It's a lovely, brilliant, and a fabulous factory on rent. We came in from the inside. As you can see, the galas and industrial heavy units out there. What we do is we go inside and have a look at this majestic factory on rent. Have a look at this. I'll tell you about the ceiling height and everything as we enter inside. What we have here is Ramdas. He's an amazing guy. He's been there for 40 years with the owners, and he can be really of great help. If you come in, take the place and employ him, he knows everything in and out, so he can be of help to you. So that's why you can hire Ramdas, and that'll make things and work easier for you. Have a look from one end to the other. We've got a couple of shutters. We enter from one of them. And what we have, I want to go back and show you, is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You got water, BMC water supply every day coming in through to this connection. And what we have is another water connection 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. inside the factory, which is a rarity. Inside the factory, BMC water connection every day 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. And what we have is the ceiling height is amazing and palatial. In the middle, if you see, it's 22 feet from floor to ceiling, and on either side you have 28 feet, right from here till there. On the other side as well, 28 feet. And you got 3 exhaust fans, which keeps the temperature cooler as compared to outside. So the temperature inside is cooler. When we were outside, it was hot and humid. Here it is very cool. And also in the daytime, you don't need to switch on the lights. The reason I have switched on to show you the halogen LED lights that we have, 6 halogen LED lights, which are really in great working condition and provide a lot of light in the evening time. So in the daytime you can switch it off because we have transparent roof everywhere where there's plenty of sunlight being thrown inside the unit. So it saves a lot of money, expenditure and electricity bills in the daytime, so people can work and the artisans can work even in the daytime without the lights being on. We got 4 Adler fans. Now these are heavy duty industrial fans providing plenty of ventilation inside. Adler was a very reputed and preeminent company providing and manufacturing these fans, and they have been there for a long time. The factory has been there since 1971. There we go. What a lovely and a pleasurable site. This is for storage warehouse, for storages and shooting warehouse, manufacturing, logistics, you name it, and you can do it as per your convenience. So what we have is the toilets now. We got a toilet to be used by the tenants, so 1 toilet will be available. They've done a brand new, it's all done up new, so we switch on the lights and even the sink, the mirror, everything is new work. So there's 1 toilet which is available to be used by the tenant, and the sink as well. Have a look at the factory from this side and angle. We're just walking this way so that we can have a proper look from all the corners and angles. Brilliant, as good as it gets, and marvelous. Great feeling about this one. Water connection inside, which is a rarity, like I said. Now what we have at the back gate, in the back area, is the tempos can come. Only the tempos can come, not the lorries. Tempos can come, offload and reload, and couple of bike and car parking spaces as well. So you can park your car and bike, as well as tempos can come, run in and out through, and reload and offload. So this is a factory on rent at Model Industrial Colony, Goregaon East off Aarey Road. Vishweshwar Nagar. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this factory on rent, I'll be mentioning the rent in the description. Holla at me. This is near Bajaj Finance. That's another landmark. Cheers.